Hi, my name is Chris Green, and I'm a DevOps engineer. Welcome to this course, Using Salt for Event-Driven Automation, part of the Salt Open Learning Path. Automation is often most effective when it can react to an event, rather than relying on periodic running times or polling for information. Salt's event system is a powerful tool in creating dynamic infrastructure automation for any purpose. The event system is utilized internally by Salt, but is also exposed for your own creative uses. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the Salt event bus, Salt beacons, and Salt reactors. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to start taking advantage of the Salt event system. You'll know how to fire events on the Salt event bus in multiple different ways, including through custom Python code. You'll also know how to configure Salt beacons to monitor aspects of minions and configure Salt reactors to take action on any relevant event. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Salt's general usage and standard architecture. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Salt's event system with the course Using Salt for Event-Driven Automation at Pluralsight.